Ramay Chaudhary, Director of Kalki Impex. We have started this company in 1995 while I am a student. The main objective of our company is to help the students joining in medical and engineering and aviation in Ukraine, universities in Ukraine. And for any details, you can contact me in our website studiesukraine.com. Ukraine and other countries, there is no difference. Actually, peace is people are very safe side, well secured country. There is no racial feeling. There is no racial feeling and secure place. Main thing is, and basically, along with students, I will be available there all time, maximum, to protect them and to help in university and everything. I will be available always. In MBBS and Ukraine MBBS, there is no difference. Equal curriculum. Difference is not there. Difference is only on fee structure. There is no donation and only fee details. In India, you must pay 30 lakhs donation and join in medicine. There not need of payment of donation. Directly fees payment and not need of entrance exam. Minimum pass marks, 50% pass marks, it's enough. They can join and they can continue their medicine. That is the main difference. And subject teaching of way is very well than India. People who are coming from abroad, they must attend an exam screening test. It calls National Board of Examination. They conduct in Delhi every year 2 times. After the completion of exam, only the degree is qualified for. That is the main difference for our Indian MBBS and foreign MBBS.
ఇప్పుడు యూక్రెయిన్ వెళ్ళాలంటే పిల్లలు ఎలాంటి కన్సల్ట్ చేయాలి, వాళ్ళకి అప్రోచ్ కావాల్సినవి ఏంటి, వాళ్ళకి అవసరమయ్యే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఏమిటి, అంటే ఏమైనా ఫార్మ్స్ కానీ.
Okay, for going to Ukraine, parents must should understand where they are sending and is there any secure or not. They must see reference of students who are studying there, how they are suffering or they are enjoying there, and how the classes are going for them. They must inquire everything, all the students, and after that only they must take decision. Not only listening these agents' words, they must inquire all the students also who are gone to there. Then only they take decision. That's a good for their students, their parents, their children. Actually, for these consultants, all have agreement. Must have agreement with university. Parents must see that agreement and inquire about consultancy through other people who have gone through them. Then only the parents should take decision to send their child to the abroad. That mean, and so many, you have seen so many consultants are working so many countries, China, Ukraine, Philippines, and Georgia. So many. One consultant cannot do all countries at a time. This is the main reason. They don't know where is the China, where is Georgia, where is Ukraine. They will depend on other people. They will open their office and they send students them and they bye. Only for that reason they cannot give more help to student. If a consultant work only one country, then he goes personally there and see everything and help the student. That's the main difference between us and other. And basically I am doctor, but I can do this practice anytime in my life. Not necessarily nowadays. You can do after 50 years also. Now I am having this chance to help the people, for students to get the admission in universities. If I help the students proper way, it will help more than doctor, become a doctor, doing a doctor.